my name is Adelia Suci, and today I'm going to talk about computer assisted language learning or CALL. In this session, I will explain the three stages of CALL, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of technology in language learning, share new vocabulary related to technology, and the last one, show you how I would teach an English topic using Padlet and interactive quiz from EducaPlay. So let's get started. The development of call can be divided into three main stages: behavioristic call, communicative call, and the last one, integrative call. The first stage is behavioristic call. This stage appeared around the 1960s and was influenced by audiolingual approach. Learning at that time focused on repetition and drills. Computers acted as electronic tutors that gave students exercises to repeat language patterns until they become accurate. For example, a student might type the missing word in sentence like see blank reading a book and then get instant feedback from the computer. Although it helped learners memorize grammar rules, it was quite monotonous because students had limited interaction. The second stage is communicative call. This period began in the 1980s when personal computers became more common in schools. The main focus shifted from accuracy to communication and fluency. Learners were encouraged to use the language for real purposes, such as playing text-based game, writing message, or solving language problems like text reconstruction. The student reorders scrambled sentences into a short paragraph, then discuss in pairs why they choose the order, or a role play simulation on the PC where students must make choices and produce real answers. The goal was to make learning more meaningful and to let students express ideas instead of just only memorizing form. The third stage is integrative call. This stage started in the late 1990s and continues today. It uses the internet, multimedia, and mobile devices to support all language skills like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Students can be collaborate online, share opinions, and create projects together. For instance, learners might use a blog, wiki, or video conference to discuss topics with friends from other countries. These states emphasize real communication, creativity, and integration of technology into daily learning. Now let's move to the next discussion, the advantages and disadvantages of technology in language learning. Let's discuss about advantages. The first one, flexibility. Students can learn anytime and anywhere by using mobile phone, tablet, or laptop. The second, access to authentic materials like video, podcasts, and online articles allow learners to experience real language use. The third, interactive learning like using games and multimedia make lesson more engaging and fun. The fourth, collaboration. Technology connect learners with people from different places, allowing cultural and language exchange. The last one, independent learning. Students can control their learning speed and review lessons whenever they need. And now discuss about disadvantages of technology. Like the first, distraction. Social media, notification, and games can reduce focus. The second, depends on technology. Students might rely too much on tools like translators or grammar checker. The next, limited social interaction. Online communication cannot fully replace face-to-face conversation. And the last one is technical problems. Poor technology or poor internet connection or broken devices can interrupt learning. Here are some new words related to technology and their meanings. The first, cloud storage, a service that allows users to save data on the internet instead of physical device. The second, virtual reality or VR, a stimulated digital environment that lets users experience things as if they were real. The third, AI or artificial intelligence, the ability of computers to stimulate human thinking and learning, such as in translation or chatbots. The fourth, cybersecurity, the practice of protecting systems and networks from digital attacks. Fifth, chatbot, a program that can stimulate human conversation, often used in websites or learning apps. Sixth, algorithm, a set of coded instruction computer used to solve problems or make decisions such as sorting data. The last one is wearable, electronic devices worn on the body such as smartwatch and fitness tracker. These words are becoming common in education because technology and language learning are now closely connected. Now, I will show you how I will apply technology in my own teaching. If I were an English teacher, I would teach a topic called analytical exposition text. For teaching media, I will use a Padlet. Padlet is an online platform where students can post ideas, write paragraphs, upload video, or comment on others' work. They can also comment on their own classmates' posts to practice giving feedback in English. And I also use media like EducaPlay as a game and exercise. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Are you feeling good or sad or something else? Okay, good. Today, we are going to learn about analytical exposition text. But before we start our discussion, I will show you how to access the learning material and activities using two online tools, Padlet and EducaPlay. First, let's begin with Padlet. Do you know Padlet? No? Okay. Padlet is a digital board where I have uploaded today learning materials. So you can access my Padlet by clicking the link or QR code that I have shared in our class group. Have you found the link? Okay. Just click the link or scan the QR code using your phone. After that, you will automatically be directed to the Padlet page that I create. Have you found it? Finish? Okay. There you can read materials, watch the examples, and leave your comment or question under each post. Please open the Padlet now and check the topic titled Analytical Exposition Text. Finish? Okay. Now let's talk about analytical exposition text. Analytical exposition text is a type of text that aims to persuade readers that something indicates. It presents argument to support the writer's opinion. Analytical exposition text use tense like present tense. Did you get it? Okay. Now let's see the structure. The structure of analytical exposition text consists of three parts. The first, thesis. Thesis introduces the topic and the writer's point of view. The second, argument. Argument provides reason and evidence to support the opinion. And the last one, reiteration. Restate the writer's main idea to strengthen the position. Okay, let's talk about examples. For example, the text like a title, online learning is beneficial for students. This title expresses an opinion and supported with reason like flexibility and access to various learning materials. For another example, you can see in the Padlet, you can scroll it. Yes. Here are the examples on Padlet, entitled The Importance of Having Breakfast. You can see the sentence right here and the structure like thesis, argument, and reiteration. You can read it by yourself. Okay, after we finished the explanation and examples on Padlet, we will move to our interactive activity using EducaPlay. We're going to play a game called Froggy Jump. Now let me explain how to access it. You can join the game in several ways by clicking the link that I have already shared using a class invitation code or going directly to educaplay.com, and then you can enter in the title Froggy Jumps. Okay? As you open the link or enter the code, you will be asked to type your name or nickname to start the game. You can play it using your phone. No need to install anything. Just write your nickname and you can play the game. In this game, you will see a frog or lily pad. You can see like this one. Each lily pad contains a possible answer to a question related to our topic. What our topic today? Yes, analytical exposition text. You must read the question carefully and click the correct lily pad to make the frog jump forward. If your answer is correct, the frog will continue moving forward the sword. But if your answer is wrong or you run out of time, the frog loses a life. The goal is to reach the finish line by answering all questions correctly. So let's try together. Please open the Educa Play link and start playing the Froggy Jump quiz. After finishing the game, we will have short reflection about what you have learned today. From this discussion, we know that call has evolved from simple computer drills to more advanced digital learning that promote creativity and communication. Using online tools like Padlet and Educa Play help teachers make lessons more engaging and interactive. Technology should not replace teachers, but it should be used to support learning and make students more active and independent. By combining meaningful topics, collaboration, and technology, language learning become more enjoyable and effective. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video inspire you to integrate technology in your teaching. Bye bye.